Hello, it's David at Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. Just like to show you around our rather special 1972 Triumph Spitfire Mk IV 1300. It's quite a unique car. It's had just 2 owners from new and covered just 43,000 miles. We've got a huge history file documenting all the works carried out over the years, invoices, receipts, previous MOTs, and even the original owner's handbook. As you can see, the body and paintwork is really nice. Even the panel gaps are good. It's quite unusual to see that on a Spitfire. They were never particularly good from the factory all those years ago, but yeah, they're really good. Paintwork's lovely. Nice touch, it's got the original raised digits number plates as supplied by the factory. Yeah, just you don't find many like that anymore. It has the original seats, which are perfect. It's got the original dash with the correct crinkle finish, and even the original 3-spoke steering wheel. That really does show the provenance of the car. The under bonnet is extremely clean. It's obviously been very well looked after. It was wax oiled a number of years ago, which has obviously helped in preserving the car in the condition it's in today. And looking rather pretty with the roof down. Yeah, pretty looking car. Obviously classed as a historic vehicle, so it's MOT exempt. Although we will supply the vehicle with a full 12 months MOT. And also benefits from free road tax. I hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching.